Hi everyone, this is Ali Hussein Kasim of Ali Talks Tech. In this week's weekly roundup of tech news across Africa, covering quite a number of stories. But first I want to let people know about an interesting conference happening on the 25th and 26th September this year at the Kenya School of Monetary Studies in Nairobi. This is a financial inclusion conference and investor expo. The theme of this conference is enhancing financial inclusion, bridging economic opportunities and outcomes. Please visit the website www.finco, that's Finco, Fincon, 2024.co.ke. Looking forward to seeing you all there. Now we come to our main stories across Africa. I'm going to first talk about the improvement on the Loop app. So Loop DFS is the digital banking or digital financial services arm of NCBA Bank in Kenya. We'll then cover PayMob securing $72 million in a Series B funding. We'll look at the top countries leading the way in cryptocurrency adoption. We'll then go straight into South Africa, where TD Market secures a crypto license in Southern Africa. And last but not least, we will cover Mastercard's bold move in cybersecurity, the acquisition of Recorded Future. Now, let's talk about NCBA Loop's app improvement. Sometime last year, the digital arm of NCBA revamped the app, the Loop app, and was the team at NCBA, or Loop DFS as it's known now, which is the digital arm of NCBA. So the improvement was for the greater good. The relaunch was a fiasco in terms of how it was received by the market. Fast forward to almost a year later, the app is kind of growing. I mean, interesting improvements on the app. I shared on my LinkedIn profile, I think very today morning, and what I feel is that there is a tremendous improvement in the user experience. Stuff like loading money from other sources like mobile money is now completely integrated within the app. You don't need to get out of the app. The improvement on your balances via SMS when you are making a transaction, improvements on other services within the app, other financial services like tracking your investments and so on and so forth. So baby steps, I know, but from a personal level, the app is growing on me. We move now all the way to Egypt, where one of Egypt's leading fintechs, PayMob, secures a $72 million investment in a Series B funding for Middle East, North Africa expansion, MENA expansion. Now, let me take a mickey out of PayMob first. I mean, guys, you're in Africa, man. I mean, I keep on saying this every time. You know, North Africans seem to want to be known as MENA, Middle East and North Africa, as opposed to just Africa. So, yeah, I mean, we know the petrodollars are extremely attractive, but the market in Africa is extremely expansive. You're talking about 1.4 billion people. So, a call out to the founders, the CEO, the CTO, and the Chief Operating Officer, the founders of PayMob. Congratulations to you guys. but I would love to see a little bit more focus beyond the MENA region and into Africa itself. So this Series B funding was led by Cora Capital, PayPal Ventures. So what's up with that? This is a CVC. This is a corporate venture corporation of PayPal, and them investing in a fintech in Africa, or should I say MENA region. And ClayPoint, with participation from notable investors including Helios Digital Ventures, British International Investment, include. This latest funding brings $208.5 million in funding to date, PayMob. Now, I would really love going forward to start focusing on the impact PayMob is having, not just in Egypt, but across Africa and the MENA region. One of the most important things for us going forward across Africa is to start focusing on the returns more than on the funding. So again, congratulations to the team at PayMob. Moving on to my next story, the latest Chainalysis Global Adoption Index for 2024 mentions top countries in cryptocurrency adoption: India, Nigeria, Indonesia, United States, Vietnam, Ukraine, Russia, Philippines, Pakistan, and Brazil. It's really incredible to see such a diverse global participation in the crypto space. These countries are definitely paving the way for innovation and financial inclusion and wellness. According to a report from Bitcoin KE, one of the leading crypto news platforms in Africa, it says Nigeria ranked second globally in distributed finance, or DeFi, and the only African country in the top 20 of Chainalysis 2024 Crypto Adoption Index. In particular, Nigeria was second globally for DeFi value received, retail centralized service value received. Also found that cryptocurrency activity is on the rise. Between Q4 2023 and Q1 2024, total value of global crypto activity increased substantially, reaching higher levels than those of 2021 during the crypto bull market. This is quite interesting. In South Africa, TD Market secures crypto license. And this is a significant move. I think, let's just say this, South Africa is at the forefront of policy frameworks and regulatory approvals of crypto players by far of any African country, followed closely by Nigeria. This is a significant move for African cryptocurrency markets. TD Markets has obtained a crypto asset service provider license from the South African regulator. What does this mean? This CSP license authorizes TD Markets to offer regulated cryptocurrency services, enhancing security and consumer protection for traders in the digital asset market. This move aligns with global efforts to establish oversight in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency industry. Here are the key points. They can now provide a regulated environment for cryptocurrency and related products. The company operates under TD Markets Private Limited with the license number FSP 49128. Existing customers would need to take action but will benefit from enhanced regulatory oversight. What are the implications for the African crypto market? This licensing is part of a broader initiative by South African regulators to create a safe and transparent ecosystem for cryptocurrency trading. This framework aims to enhance the cryptocurrency market's credibility by establishing rigorous standards for players. Looking ahead, TD Markets plans to launch new products in line with the development, though specific details have not been disclosed. This move could potentially pave the way for more diverse and regulated cryptocurrency offerings in the African market. Looking at the bigger picture, South Africa's approach to cryptocurrency regulation is part of a global trend. The FSCA has been intensifying its efforts to license the cryptocurrency industry with plans that have actually happened. They've licensed approximately 60 cryptocurrency platforms. As the landscape continues to evolve, we can expect to see more developments like this, balancing innovation with consumer protection. I think South Africa and Nigeria are showing the way ahead in Africa when it comes to cryptocurrency. We are hoping that my home market in Kenya will move faster in this space. Our last story today is on Mastercard's bold move in cybersecurity. This is a very significant move in the fintech ecosystem and financial services as a whole. Mastercard announcing this plan to acquire Recorded Future, which is a global threat intelligence company, for $2.65 billion. This strategic move, which is set to reshape the landscape of cybersecurity in the payments industry. Here's the acquisition at a glance. Deal value, $2.65 billion. Expected closure, early 2025. Subject to regulatory approval. This matters very much because cybersecurity costs are projected to skyrocket to $9.2 trillion by end of 2024. That's a huge amount of money. Mastercard's acquisition is a proactive step towards strengthening its cybersecurity capabilities. And this move is not just about protecting Mastercard's own interests, but also about enhancing security for its vast network of merchants and financial institutions. What Recorded Future brings to the table. This is a no ordinary cybersecurity firm. Here's what makes them stand out. Threat detection using artificial intelligence and data analysis. Actionable insights providing to governments and Fortune 100 companies. AI-powered platform simplifies threat intelligence and improves risk management. And here are the synergies. This acquisition isn't just about adding a new company to Mastercard's portfolio. It's about creating a powerful synergy. There are certain complementary services enhancing Mastercard's existing identity verification, fraud prevention, and cybersecurity offerings. Proven collaboration. The two companies have already successfully partnered on an AI-powered service that improved the detection of compromised payment cards and could also act as a strong innovation catalyst, which is expected to foster the development of advanced cybersecurity practices. With this acquisition, then Mastercard is not just preparing for the future; it's hoping to shape it. The move is a clear signal that in the digital age, cybersecurity is not just an IT concern, but a core business imperative. Let me just repeat this. Cybersecurity is not just an IT concern, but a core business imperative. And this is especially important for board-level executives to appreciate and understand that cybersecurity today is a clear and present danger if we don't take cognizant of ensuring that we are secure as individuals and as organizations. As we move towards an increasingly interconnected financial ecosystem, such strategic acquisitions will likely become more common, setting new standards for security in the fintech industry. That's it for this week, ladies and gentlemen. Looking forward to our engagement next week. Asanteni sana